In today's world, customers expect more than programmable solutions and smart systems. They want complete control of their comfort. Anytime, anywhere. Just last year, 33% of thermostats sold were Wi-Fi enabled. In 5 years, that number is expected to grow to nearly 75%. Your opportunity to catch the Wi-Fi wave has arrived. Introducing Sensi, the thermostat for unprogrammed lives. Sensi works with existing wires in homes, doesn't require a C wire for most applications, and runs off just 2 AA batteries. Sensi is easy to connect to Wi-Fi with the Sensi app. And you can be sure you'll be the one to get the next service call, with your logo and contact information saved there. You're only just one touch away. Sensi puts customer comfort in the palm of their hands at a price they will like. With seamless control online or through the free Sensi app for iPhone or Android systems. Sensi lets homeowners monitor weather conditions, including local conditions, and indoor humidity levels. With just a touch, homeowners can select heat, cool, auto, or raise and lower the temperature as they see fit. From the main menu, busy homeowners can design a daily schedule. Or create multiple ones. There are up to 9 different schedules available. Sensi even offers control of multiple thermostats, upstairs, downstairs, at a vacation home, or in a completely different location. An intuitive slider bar shows the whole day at a glance. The bottom line? Sensi keeps homeowners from wasting money and energy by heating or cooling an empty home. From installation and connectivity to programming and control, Sensi is simply sensible. Learn more about connected comfort for all